All right, going to be talking about the new Apple plan. In my last video, December the 4th, Apple triggered in the 110.75 area. We hit the 116.75 and the 115 January 20th calls gained 300%. But Apple then lost some power towards 117. And this is no surprise to me based on some statistical facts I look at on the visionary lines. Again, this is very advanced, my system, what I see people. So whenever I say something, you're getting prime information. So listen carefully when I speak. Study my videos. Listen, study, watch. All right, let's talk about the new plan now. Okay, Apple needs to show us some power, but Apple is now setting up to test 122 to 125. The January 20th, 120 calls could be used. Apple needs to break above 117 on some good action volume. Good action volume is 6 million shares on a 10-minute chart. If the volume is less than that, then, well, I'm going to explain what needs to happen. So pay attention. Even though this is spelled wrong, it's explained. I type this stuff fast. That's why I'm making these videos. All right, people. Basically, 117 is a key area. Okay, I can tell you right now, 117 needs to be breaking with some sort of power. So if there's not enough volume through 117, this needs to base above 117 and look for a power move towards 117.25 to 117.50. It's got to look strong. Okay, basically, not some weak price action movement, but something strong towards 117.25 to 117.50. Okay, so understand and pay attention. Now, let's go and take a look at the options. Okay, people. So here we are at Yahoo Finance, where Apple is trading at on December the 15th at 115.82. All right, keep this in mind. This is December the 15th. It's trading at 115.82. So let's take a look at the options of what I recommended. Go to the January 20th. Okay, I'm going to recommend the January 20th. Well, you can do the 115s as well, but for some people, the 120s are going to be really accessible right here. So here they are. January 20th, 120 calls. Okay, they're trading just under $1, but about $1. Okay, and you can see there's lots of action volume here. It means a lot of contracts are going into this because this is even higher than the other ones. But the 115 could be used as well. Now the funny thing was when I made the first plan December the 4th, the 115s were this price, under $1 a piece. Okay, so can these go to 300%? You bet your bottom dollar they can. But you got to wait for confirmation, okay? Because this could need more time, okay? But the market's the market. But all I can tell you is we need that power right now, all right? I'm going to be making a video about TSLA, people. And I want to also point out something else. I have a new website. Give me a second here. So here we are at Power Target Trades, Yahoo. YouTube, and then here's this link. I want to show everybody this new website, so people who may not have desktop functionality. So look what happens. This is what happens. So we'll click on this. Watch this, and then it loads up, and then boom. Power Target Trade, right? Power Target Trades. You see the way these all come in. This comes in with an open door. This swings open. They all come in with different graphics. And then there's the video right away, popping the video of the 300 gains in Google. And you can see this video, okay? And then you got the nice background in the back. Now check this out. See this part here? In the back of this contact form, look at this, eh? This runs all the time. Look at that. Let's watch that again. Look at this, people. See that? Look at this. Huge. See, this desktop's the best. Look at this. You can't see this. Well, I'm showing this even on a little thing, but you got to check this out on a desktop. This looks really cool. I haven't seen a website have anything like this. This is a video background with this cool video background that I'm making the videos. It's on the website, people. Oh, yeah. Yeah, so there you have that part. Let's go back to, you can see the video. I talk about it over here. Don't forget to subscribe. You're going to see something here the Sandro Power Target Trade Circle. It's going to come over here. It's going to be over here. Click on it. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed. And what else here? So let's go back to the. So here's the charts again, people. This 117 to 117.5 is a critical area of power that needs to be shown for Apple before this wants to launch higher. Okay, and they're going to play their games. They played their games already today for 2 days in a row, and they keep chopping it around. And they can still attempt to a simple attempt at 117 is not enough. Okay, I mean this stock is setting up to test the 122 to 125 area, and when this is ready to confirm, we can make some good 100 to 300% gains in these January. The 100% gains is on a low level that could happen as well. You have to be realistic that the market is completely changes, and as things happen, either it acts correctly or it doesn't. But Apple act correctly exactly at this 117 area. All right, people. So this is the update. I may be making more updates. Stay tuned. Check out for a TSLA up video I'm going to be making. Also a Netflix video that I'm going to be making. I think I'm going to group Netflix and TSLA together, but I made a special video for the Apple long boards. I make a lot of other videos, people, like the Google Plan, 300% gains. Apple did that as well. It was really good, Apple, better than anticipated, but we went to exactly to one of my targets where I knew there would be a problem with 117. That's why I told people telling me, oh, it's going to go to 120. Yeah, it might go to 120 in the future, but it doesn't mean it's going to 120 right away. So anyways, don't forget to subscribe. You're going to see the subscribe button. It's going to look at this Power Trade Center. You're going to see that. Hit that button. If you have a problem subscribing, just do it manually. Visit the site Power Target Trades on YouTube and subscribe. And that's easy access to Power Target Trades, my new website that I'm working on and improving. And then you've got Power Trigger Trade on Twitter. And of course, there's Power Trigger Trade, on StockTwits. So there you have it, people. A lot of great things happening for Power Trigger Trade Sandro here. And don't forget, there's a new Power Trigger Trade coming on the way, right? Going to be videos, and that video will come on here. If you've been, I've been killing it with the Apple trades. We did a lot of 300% gains in Apple this year. Could this be the next one? It's very possible. But again, it's the key of how Apple acts in that 117 to 117.5 area. Look out for me to make a confirmation. By the way, I will make some comments. So look out for those comments. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for listening. Like the video.